Hey guys! As you can see, here I have a RAR file, and I used the RAR app to open and extract it. Unfortunately, my RAR file is password protected. And I don't know the password, so I can't extract it yet. So, I tried a site called Lost My Pass, in the hope that the password on my RAR file can be found out. On the front page, I have to go through a captcha first. Then, I uploaded my RAR file here. And it turned out that the unlocking process would take place automatically. So I just had to wait for it. And voila! It turned out that the password on my RAR file was successfully found out. Now I try to copy the password, then paste it into the password column during the previous extraction process. And it's done. With the help of the Lost My Pass website, I was finally able to extract the RAR file that I didn't know the password for. That's my experience today. Hopefully it's useful for all of you. And thank you for watching.